All right, so today is going to be the third and final day of section 6.1. So our learning target for today is, we're going to add this to the beginning of 6.1. I can find the measure of an interior angle of a regular polygon All right, so we're going to flip. So we covered the interior angles of a polygon. We covered finding a missing angle in a polygon. And today, we finished all that last time. Today we're at regular polygon. Okay, so flip to your notes where it says regular polygon at the top. So a regular polygon states that, or is a polygon with all congruent angles and side lengths. So we have worked with an equilateral triangle, and an equilateral triangle is the definition of a regular polygon. It's a regular triangle. And a square, which you guys are familiar with, is the example of a regular quadrilateral. So all sides are congruent, all angles are congruent. All right. So the corollary to this, okay, is one interior angle of a regular polygon is n minus 2 times 180. So we're going to take the formula that tells us the sum of all the interior angles in a polygon divided by n. So then we divide it by the number of sides. So, for example, in an equilateral triangle, remember, we knew that the sum of a triangle was 180. And to figure out in an equilateral triangle what all three angles were, we took 180 and divided it by 3 and got 60. All right. So, over here, it says find the measure of each interior angle on the following polygons. So we have a regular pentagon and a regular 18gon. Okay, so you can plug it in right into this formula, or I like to look at it as two steps. One, find sum. Step 2, divide by n, the number of sides. So the sum of a regular pentagon, some of you might have this memorized already, but a pentagon has 5 sides. We take 5 minus 2 times 180. We find that all the angles inside a pentagon add up to 540. We divide by n. 540 divided by 5 tells me that each angle in a regular pentagon is going to add up to, or is going to be 108. So 108 added 5 times should give us 540. Next, we have a regular 18gon. So step 1, we're going to take 18 minus 2 times 180. So 16 times 180. Our sum equals 2880. Then we take 2880 and divide by the number of sides, and we get 160 degrees. One thing I want to point out, because it trips students up a little bit, you can have a decimal when it comes to an angle inside a polygon, because we're just dividing. The only time we can't get a decimal in a lot of these problems is if we're talking about the number of sides. All right. So we're going to do a little exploration here. Okay, they want to know, what is the sum of the exterior angle measures in this triangle here? Well, an exterior angle is the angle that when you extend the side lies on the outside of a triangle. There are 3 of them in a triangle. So we figure out, how do I figure out what one of those is? Well, this guy right here is going to be 180 because it's forming a straight line, minus 79. This angle right here is 101. This one here, I subtract 40 from 180, I get 140. And over here, 180 minus 61 is 119. So what are the sum of the exterior angles in this triangle? Is it going to be 180 like the inside? Well, let's check it out. 119 plus 101 plus 140 is 360 degrees. So now let's try a quadrilateral. We'll find all these exterior angle measures. 180 minus 124 is 56. 180 minus 76. 180 minus 89, 91. And 180 minus 71, 109. So now to find the sum of all of those measures, let's add them up. 109 plus 56 plus 104 plus 91, 360 again. All right, so let's try a pentagon. 180 minus 98, 82. 180 minus 121, 59. 180 minus 87, 93. 50, 76. Add all these up. 82 plus 59 plus 93 plus 50 plus 76 gives me 360 degrees. If you had to take a guess over here, you would probably get 360, and you are correct. No matter how many sides in a polygon, all of the exterior angles, exterior, outside, will add up to 360, whether there's 3 sides or 103 sides. So what is the sum of the exterior angles of a convex 17gon? As soon as you hear the word exterior, we don't care how many sides, the exterior will add up to 360. So the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degrees. Awesome. So 17, they're going to try and trip us up a little bit. Sorry. This is the last problem that we'll see today. We're going to create an expression. We have exterior angles, 5 of them. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since it's exterior and we're not dealing with the inside, the whole step 1 goes away because the sum on the exterior is 360. So we take all of these, we're going to add up all the way around. 5x plus 4 plus 4x plus 9 plus 9x minus 6 plus 4x plus 1 plus 7x plus 4 equals 360. And now we solve. 5x and 4x is 9x plus another 9x is 18x, 22x, 29x. Then we have 4 plus 9 minus 6 plus 1 plus 4. It's a positive 12 equals 360. 29x equals 348. Divide by 29. X is equal to 12. And that's all they wanted us to find, so we are done there. All right, and that is the end of chapter 5/6. You'll finish up your assignment today, and I'll finish up 6-1, and then we will start and then we'll take a quiz, and then we'll start our test review.